Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Falmouth General Hospital or the Falmouth Public General Hospital. Now, it seems like every day you hear about some hospital being built or upgraded in Jamaica. From the KPH Hospital in Kingston to Cornwall Regional in Montego Bay to the Savlamar Hospital to the Alexandria Hospital up in St. Anne, a lot of progress is being made. There was even a recent announcement about billions being spent on the Savlamar Hospital in Westmoreland. Of course, you know, the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay is going through, its hospital is literally being rebuilt and they're building a children's hospital beside it. So today we're going to give you an update on the upgrades at the Falmouth Public General Hospital. And we are driving through the town of Falmouth today. It's the capital of the parish Trelawney. And it's home to the #1 cruise ship pier, the Falmouth cruise ship pier in Jamaica and also the Caribbean. Alright guys, we're going to go through an article that gives you more information. Falmouth Public General Hospital in Trelawney has undergone significant upgrades reflecting the government's ongoing efforts to strengthen Jamaica's healthcare system. This according to Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. the Honorable Christopher Tufton, who was speaking during the official reopening ceremony. He noted that the hospital's bed complement increased from less than 100 to closer to 140 beds because we have a ward that was built. The ward was originally for COVID-19, but we added some others on the main building, the minister stated. Dr. Tufton also underscored the institution's technological advancements, noting Falmouth Hospital now has digital X-ray machines, a capability we never had before. So you can get better through quicker attention to analyze what's wrong with you, and of course the doctors can treat you, he added. Dr. Tufton drew attention to the increase in medical personnel, noting that Falmouth Hospital has more doctors and nurses now than ever before. He also highlighted improvement in the facility's surgical capacity, pointing out the number of operating theaters have doubled to 4, up from 2 previously, non-functional units that have since been fully restored. Despite these achievements, Dr. Tufton acknowledged that further improvements are needed at the facility. The fact is you are better off today, but of course we need to build out more, he maintained. The enhancements at Falmouth Hospital form part of the broader health sector improvements being led by the Ministry of Health and Wellness. This thrust underscores the government's focus on investing in both hospitals and community centers. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.